Welcome to spring in Cape Breton, guys. This is what it looks like when the ice comes in. Look at it. And when it turns into like clampers of ice, the little ice clampers is what we call them. My father used to, when he was a kid, do something that was called go squishing. So he'd jump on one ice clamper to the other. That's what all the kids used to do. But that's crazy. Look at it. Ah, there's a lot of ice out there, guys. Just thought I'd show you guys this. This is what spring looks like here in my town. All the ice comes in. Okay, guys, my hair's a mess because I was just out in the wind. As you guys seen, I showed you guys the ice. But we went to the grocery store and I have something that I'm going to try out, but I need to let it get cold first. So I found Starlight Coca-Cola. This is the Coke Zero version. So I'm going to put it in the fridge and let that get cold. I'll probably try it within the next day or so. Maybe I'll put one in the freezer. Maybe that's what I'll do. I also got a new drink from Tim Hortons. I got the roasted hazelnut latte. So I want to try that too. But obviously I'm going to be trying that right now. It's really nice outside today. So, just let me get situated here and I'll give you guys my first impressions. Okay, guys, it smells good. It smells really sweet. It smells like a Starbucks treat. So, let's give it our first impressions. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't normally drink coffee. I need sweeteners and stuff in it, which I'm not supposed to drink a lot of because of my diabetes, but I drink tea a lot. But this is good. It kind of tastes like a cappuccino, so yeah, highly recommend. Okay, guys, I can't wait any longer. It's time to try this Starlight Coke. I got the zero version of it because I'm a diabetic, so I'm not allowed to have the regular stuff. So I'm just going to let you guys down for a minute right here. Oh, you can see me here anyway. I can't smell anything. Okay, Jacqueline says this tastes like cotton candy. I also heard reviews that say that it tastes like s'mores. And I heard someone say it tastes like vanilla Coke. So, let's see. It's a little bit sweeter. Like, I know there's no sweet. It has a little bit of sweetness more to it than regular Coke Zero. I don't know what it is in tasting. I feel like it's raspberry. I don't know. I'm not a big Coke fan anyway. I'm more of a Pepsi girl. I'm going to burp now because I drank some. But I don't think I could drink the regular kind of this because it'd be too sugary, I think. But I'm going to get Mike to try it and see what he thinks. The other reason why I'm going to get Mike to try it and see what he thinks is because Mike drinks Coke Zero. He's a Coke drinker. He's a Coca-Cola drinker. I'm more of a Pepsi drinker. So we're going to get him to try. Okay, Mike is actually a Coke Zero drinker. So taste that and tell me if you can taste anything different than a Coke Zero.
Whoa, it's got a kick to it.
Do you taste like a little bit of a sweetness? Like, I don't know. I almost taste like raspberry or something. Yeah. Or vanilla or something.
Yeah.
I can't pinpoint what it is, but Jacqueline says it tastes like cotton candy. I don't think it tastes like cotton candy.
I don't think so.
But it's a bit, like, it's different than a regular Coke Zero.
Yeah.
Because you drink Coke Zero pretty much every day. Mm-hmm. And this tastes different than that, eh?
Yeah.
But I can't pinpoint what the flavor is. I don't know. tastes like a bit of sweetness in it. Like, I know it's not sugar, but there's a weird aftertaste. I don't like the aftertaste. Anyway, I'll drink the bottles that we have, but I don't think I'll buy it again. So out of the two things that I tried today, the Starlight Coke Zero and the roasted hazelnut latte, I like the roasted hazelnut latte better. Like I said, my carbonated drinks of choice is Diet Pepsi or Diet Canada Dry ginger ale. Those are the two things that I normally drink. So, but I will finish off the package of Coke. It has 8 mini bottles in it. I will finish it, but I won't buy it again. So Jacqueline, you're on your own with that one. Hey guys, I'm going to be packing up my makeup this evening. It's Friday the 25th. I've been putting it off and putting it off because I thought I might use it or I might do something or record a video or whatever. But I think I'm just going to do anything that I got to do vlog style. And I don't think I'm going to be putting makeup on over the next week. But I thought before I pack it up I would share with you guys. This is normally a video I would do. But I figured I would share with you guys my top 10 favorite palettes that I'm going to be using this spring. So some are newer, some are older. Yeah, so with no particular order, I'm just going to turn the camera on and show you guys. Okay, so you guys can see what they are just by looking here. My Norvina palette. It has pretty pinks and purples and some neutrals in it. And as you can see, I've been loving this palette. I use quite a bit of it, so that's definitely one. There's a few Huda palettes in here. I'm going to say this one, I'm not going to be able to get them opened very well. Don't mind the dust, and I got a vacuum. Pepper everywhere. This is the Nude palette, the light. I think this is perfect for like springtime, in summer, just for like some nice looks. And then this one I haven't had a chance to use yet, but I guess I'll use it when I move. I'm so behind on my life's a mess right now, so I'm behind on eyeshadow palettes. But I think sorry, the dogs are going to bark. This is going to be perfect for the springtime. Nice and easy. Mike's coughing, choking. Okay guys, sorry about that. Mike went out to clean off the car because it's snowing, and he just had a little coughing attack there. The next palette is this Care Bears palette, the Violet Voss Care Bears. It's the mini one. Like, look at those colors. This could be good for summer too, but it's really pretty for spring. My next one is my Tinkerbell one from ColourPop. I was between this one and the Mint to Be palette, but I think I like this one better, because there's some variety in it. It's hard to open a palette with one hand. Oh my god, that rug. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Some nice greens and golds and taupey colors. Next one is my Huda Mercury Retrograde. You guys should have known this was going to be in here. You can do neutral, and I haven't played with my rose quartz yet, but you can do neutral and colorful looks with this. And I just think it's perfect. I'm just going through these quick. Morphe Coca-Cola 1971. So you have a whole side of neutrals, and then you have this whole side of like fun pops of color, and it's really pretty. I love this lime green color and this blue color up here. They're so pretty, especially for the spring. My Michaela palette, of course. Like, look at all those fun colors you can play with. Like, this is perfect for spring. All the glitter fell out of mine. I don't know if you guys remember that from a recent video I did. Then I have this one from Natasha Denona. This was a BoxyCharm exclusive in Jubilee. I actually ordered this from Poshmark, but I just love the coral and the yellow. I made a look with these last year, and then the greens are pretty too. Or turquoise, whatever you want to. Yeah, it's more of a turquoisey green color. And then last but not least, my Tiny Marvels with Sydney Grace and Mel Thompson. Like, look at those beautiful. You could use this in the fall too, but look at these beautiful pastel colors, and then there's some neutrals mixed in. It's just very pretty and perfect for the spring. So that is my spring palettes that I'm probably going to get once I get unpacked. I'll get some use out of those. But yeah, I decided to show you guys that before I started packing everything away. I don't want to pack up my makeup, but then I get to organize it again, so that's always fun. So anyway, I'm going to go and have some supper in a few minutes, and if I vlog something else tonight, so be it. If not, I'll talk to you guys next time. Look at my babies. Oh, they're so cute. Tote filled and really heavy, and it's still not everything because I still have this stuff and those drawers. Oh, I gotta leave some things out, but oh my god, this is a process, and I can't lift that. Okay guys, I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I know this one's gonna be a lot shorter, but I've been putting up 2 vlogs or so a week, so I'm going to keep vlogging as much as I can while I'm moving during the process and stuff, and maybe I'll vlog unpacking and stuff too, and but I will show you guys the apartment when it's all set up and everything. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone.